Step into the Chevrolet 2017 Trax LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include seats front bucket with driver power lumbar, STD, jet black cloth seat trim, audio system Chevrolet Mulink radio with 7 inches diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability for compatible phone, STD, transmission 6-speed automatic, STD, axle 3.53 final drive ratio, engine ECOTEC turbo 1.4L variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder sequential MFI, 138 horsepower 102.9 kilowatts at 4900 RPMs 148 pounds-ft of torque, 199.8 Nm. At 1850 RPMs,